Hello, this is Mahandra. I will start with a brief introduction to the book on liquid formulation, presented in innovative qubits video book format, its content, and a little bit information about me. This is the first book on liquid formulations covering both pharmaceutical and cosmetic, solution, suspension, and emulsion. At the bottom, there's an information email address about qubits. The book format is on-demand supplemental book that makes learning faster and easier. The qubits format organizes book, i.e. what we call in a print edition chapters, as video modules. Each module comprises of 2 to 5 related sub-module videos, i.e. section of the chapter. The collection in its entirety of all the videos is equivalent to a video book, in this case a video book on liquid formulation. This video book contains 16 modules. Again, in print edition, we would have called it chapters, with 45 individual videos, i.e. 45 sections, that are used in a standard course. Finally, to test your knowledge, there is an embedded quiz at the end of each module. This book is a key reference source suitable for senior undergraduate, graduate students, and professionals working in academic, government, and industrial setting. It is designed as a comprehensive resource for pharmaceutical and cosmetic scientists who are developing, manufacturing, and testing innovative liquid products. The book takes a practical approach to formulation development without overburdening use of mathematical models that's very commonly seen in a print edition. Illustrative examples in the video book guide the reader through concepts and practical know-how. Clear presentations and descriptions make scientific principle of physical chemistry, formulation, manufacturing, and quality easy to comprehend with unique videos which are embedded throughout the textbook. Qubits platform is unique in that it enables readers to visualize the concept and gain comprehensive knowledge. This is unique. A little bit about me. I'm the author. My email address is mahandra.didia@liu.edu. I'm a program director for School of Pharmaceutics with specialization in industrial pharmacy and cosmetic science at Long Island University, LIU, Hudson Graduate Centers, which is located in Purchase, New York. I received my PhD from University of Michigan in pharmaceutics, and I have master's as well as MBA. I currently teach graduate level courses in formulation development, physical pharmacy, biostatistics, and pharmacokinetics. I also consult with pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies. I've worked in pharmaceutical industry for over 40 years, from a bench scientist to eventually as a vice president and chief scientific officer. I've contributed to formulation development and commercial manufacturing for solid, liquid, injectable, topical, dermatological dosage forms, both brand and generic drugs. I have published and presented research articles on topics ranging from physical chemistry, topical drug delivery, extended release formulation development, and injectable dosage forms. I'm also listed as an inventor on 24 US patents and numerous international patents. I'd like to take this opportunity to extend my appreciation to Andy Kuna and his team at Qubits for extending me an invitation to develop the liquid dosage form book in an innovative video format. I recognize Vijay Kumar, President of Operations at RK Pharma in Pearl River, New York, for his involvement in selection of topics for the book. Many thanks to LIU Pharmaceutics faculty and graduate students for reviewing the early drafts. Special thanks to Marisha Shah, Rockville, Maryland, for her help in formatting presentation. Finally, to Aruna, who inspired me to take this project. Table of content is in a modular and sub-modular, i.e. with a series of related videos. The format allows the reader to on-demand choose the module of interest. The sub-modules are designed for ease of understanding. This is accomplished by embedding video for visualization, implication of theory, without excessively relying on complex mathematics. Module 1 is Introduction. Module 2, 3, and 4 are on physicochemical characterization of liquid dosage form, solution, suspension, and emulsions. Subsequent modules are solution formulation, suspension formulation, and emulsion formulation. Each formulation modules contain pre-formulation, composition and formulation, equipment and manufacturing processes, quality by design, and formulation used in the clinical supply. This format is critical in developing the formulation, and it is used in many innovative pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies. That is, we start with pre-formulation and eventually we embed quality by design throughout our development. Now we'll look at the content itself. Module 1, Introduction to Liquid Dosage Form, and contains 3 related videos. They cover classification to physical properties to unit of measurement. And unit of measurement seems very simple, yet in liquid products it becomes very critical, and especially in manufacturing. Module 2, 3, and 4 cover physicochemical characterization of solution, suspension, and emulsion. And it covers a variety of topics that are pertinent to those dosage forms, such as solubility, how to really make kinetics and stability properties of solution. For suspension, solids property and sedimentation becomes critical factors to understand. And for emulsion, it's immiscible liquid and emulsifier, and classification and type. For emulsion, it includes immiscible liquids, emulsifiers, classification, and type of emulsions. Solution dosage form, again, similar to other dosage forms, starts with pre-formulation, followed by formulation and composition, manufacturing equipment and processes, quality by design, and clinical study formulations. It covers various aspects from solubility to solvents and co-solvents used in solutions, other agents used in solution formulations, and formulation composition. The book focuses on equipment both at laboratory scale and commercial scale, and then follows with commercial scale batch formula and processes. Extremely important is quality by design and stability study design. And and examples of quality by designs are included in these modules. Suspension modules are module 9, 10, 11, and 12, and they cover properties of solids which are suspended, zeta potential, sedimentation, different types of suspensions, type of agents used, rheology modifiers, vehicles, surfactant, and formulation composition. In this case also, equipment needed to hydrate the solids and homogenization are detailed. Laboratory scale formulas and processes and commercial scale batch formula and processes are also included. Again, very similar to solution, quality by design. In this case, CQA, critical quality attributes, organoleptic and stability study designs are also included. Formulation in clinical studies, dissolution and bioavailabilities are also included for suspension products. The final 4 modules are 13, 14, 15, and 16. They are focused on emulsion formulations. In this liquid book, in addition to oil and water, water and oil, which are traditional emulsions, double emulsions such as WOW, water, oil, water, and oil, water, siloxane is also included. Concepts such as HLB and the globule, rheology, and sensory attributes that are extremely critical in cosmetic formulations are also included. Siloxane, oil-like physical property, is discussed in detail, and siloxanes are very commonly used in cosmetic industry as well as pharmaceutical formulations. Formulation composition breaks down into each of the phases, and we start with composition of oil, water, and oil, that is traditional emulsions, and then add double emulsions, water, oil, and water, oil, water, and oil. Double emulsions are also known as emulsion within emulsion. A separate section or a video module is added, siloxane emulsions and double emulsion of oil, water, and siloxane. Manufacturing equipment and commercial batch formula also cover oil and water and double emulsion batch formula. In this case, similar to the earlier module, quality by design, critical quality attributes, globule and phase separation, and stability study design is included. The final submodule is 16.2 that includes formulation in clinical studies, in vitro release of emulsions, and bioavailability.